Okay, so moving on to precious, and dollar index today has posted a positive signal. In the opposite direction, gold has posted a negative signal, and it still continues to negatively correlate with oil. So when oil goes up, gold goes down. Silver has also moved lower, and August gold is $10 above a spot. So we'll start off with the dollar index, got that black square there, so a positive signal. So the trend is now up. Key support remains at 100.01. Longs can place their stop on a daily close below there. And on the short-term chart, we still have one resistance left. We've stopped at 101.06, but we've got the final one at 101.36.5. So the daily close above there would confirm that positive signal and really open up the upside in a big way. Just to have a quick look at the weekly levels, 101.31, 101.83, and the extreme 102.35. Very poor day for gold in world currency terms, new lows for the trend. Haven't quite seen that on COMEX, but we have had a negative signal. You can see that there's been two previously back in March and again in April. And we have closed below the final historical support at 4,032.5. The level, the final level, is at 39.55.4, and this is a very, very important point, because if we don't trade below that this week, then it's going to form a weekly support. So it's going to dramatically change the technical picture. If we do trade below it, that weekly support is going to go back to resistance at 41.65.8. So strategic players still keep their stop on a close below that 39.55.4 point. Obviously, powerful resistance 41.65.8. And when we look at the short-term chart, 40.32.5 and then 40.81.7. And then another zone at 41.31 to 44.7. It's going to take a daily close above 42.15.5 in order to turn the picture positive and open up the upside. No change on the profile, point at most time miles away. Moving on to the weekly levels, got very, very close to the first deviation down at 39.91.8. The extreme 37.62.6, so a very long way away. And on the month, even the first deviation down is a long way away at 37.89.1. On silver, also retreated, but we do have support at 57.605 and a much more powerful support at 56.13. And when we look at the short-term chart, we still have another support at 57.60.5. So it just highlights the difference between silver and gold. Silver is much stronger. It remains the case that it's going to take a daily close above 62.58 to open up the upside. First deviation down on the week, 54.61. And on the month, the levels are a long, long way away. So in conclusion, dollar index trend is sideways, but now we have a positive bias. A daily close above 101.36.5 confirms that positive signal. Key support 100.01 and longs place stop on a close below here. Gold trend is sideways, but now we have a negative bias, but shorting is not advised. Do not feel comfortable with it at all. What really needs to happen is gold desperately needs to decorrelate from oil, and that's what I'm really looking for before it can get truly bullish. Longs place stop on a daily close below 39.55.4 if strategic. It takes a daily close above 42.15.5 to target 44.03.6. Silver trend is still up and support is strong. Place stop on a daily close below 56.13 if strategic, or 57.06.5. It's going to take a daily close above 62.58 to leave space to rally. And here are your supports and resistances. So next update, my Wednesday evening, unless something dramatic happens tomorrow. Okay, thank you.